This is a quick update. My workshop has moved house, so I had to dismantle the lathe, and this is part of the reassembly. One of the problems was one of the studs for the headstock was totally stripped, so I got some class 8.8 all thread, and today on the Robot Teams mill I made some studs with some 6mm squares, and they're gonna go in here and get Loctited in. Just a tiny dab of Loctite so they don't come loose. And then the headstock's gonna go on, and I'm going to tram that in after the Loctite's set. So that'll probably be tomorrow night or the night after. I've got robot build season, and I'm going to link some videos for the last 2 weeks worth of... Oh, that's them now. I'm going to link some videos for the last 2 weeks of updates that we've done. And yeah, that's all for now.